Siyathokozana. Amen. Dumelang babohle. Sanibonani. I'm going to continue with the hidden facts of a gifted child. The other hidden fact of a gifted child: they don't like noise. They do not like noise. Gifted kids don't like noise. Noise is their worst. Reason being, God continues to talk to us all the time, 24/7, all the time. God is in control all the time. God speaks to us all the time. That's why there is no room for noisy place, for noisy areas for us. The other thing is, if you see yourself being sent to a noisy place, okay, let me give an example using me. Far away from home, far away from my home, far away from my surroundings that I usually buy food or do groceries. So yesterday, I went looking for food. I came across a very, very noisy place. Yo, bezbuya, kuningi. This side, hubble bubble. That side, amaplace angapha kugcwele. And then I looked so super lost. But it was nice to people that likes noise. The environment was nice, very nice. Ngale, the DJs and the famous entertainers. Ziyabuya kumnandi. So people was like, I was like, I looked so super lost. But I tried to pretend to, give it a shake. So that I tried to belong, Fair and fine, I buy the food, and then it's noisy. I felt my head was gonna burst into 10 pieces. I bought the food was nice. And then when I got out, a person just fainted in front of me. Gumnandi, guningi in this place. And then I thought, oh my God, I'm in a noisy place. This is what I was sent for. First of all, fainting, I deal with it medically. Second of all, it turned out that I just prayed for the person. I asked for water. Remember, I'm a water baby. I asked for water, and then I quickly helped this young boy that was busy drinking, taking herbal. Because like he's smoky. Good. Yeah, I pray for this boy. I use water the way I know how. The voice just came and say, okay, do 1, 2, 3 for this boy. Before I knew it, he was busy dancing, and then he's thanking me. He wants to know why am I not staying. That time I was already carrying my food and moving out. Like, I want to teach you something. We are not noisy people. We don't like noisy areas because God talked to us 24/7. Suddenly, I find myself in this place. I was called there without me knowing to deliver this boy from whatever was happening during that particular time. So if you suddenly discover that you are in a noisy place and you're not a noisy person and you don't like noisy places, you must know. You must know you are sent there for a purpose at that particular time, not tomorrow, not when, at that particular time. So this is what happened to me this weekend. I looked so super lost, but I tried to cope up with the situation, because I'm also a girl about town. But at the end of the day, I knew why was I called there. I was called there to come and to deliver this boy, because imagine this is a nice, noisy place. I mean, we're making noise. What do you want here if you don't want noise? Suddenly somebody just drops in front of you. I had to help. I helped. And thank God everything went well. Amen. Our vote, siyabonga.